In a significant hearing, the Supreme Court of India allowed the withdrawal of a public interest litigation that sought to bring political parties under the ambit of the POSH Act, the law meant to prevent sexual harassment at the workplace. The petition filed by advocate Yogmaya MG argued that political parties engage thousands of women in structural roles, from campaigning to volunteer coordination, yet have no redressal mechanisms like internal complaints committee. A bench led by Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai acknowledged the seriousness of the issue but pointed to the legislative responsibility. CJI Gavai observed, "You must invite the parliament, especially women MPs, to move a private member's bill. This is a policy decision, not something for the courts to enforce." The legal roadblock stems from a 2022 Kerala High Court ruling which held that political parties do not qualify as a workplace under the Prevention of Sexual Harassment Act. The court reasoned that there is no typical employer-employee relationship between parties and their volunteers, and hence internal complaint committees are not legally required. The interpretation has drawn sharp criticism from gender rights advocates. They argue that political spaces, though unconventional workplaces, still operate in hierarchical and often coercive environments, making women vulnerable to abuse without institutional safeguards. While the Supreme Court has closed this particular case, it left the door open for the petitioner to directly challenge the Kerala High Court verdict. The message from the bench was clear. The law's expansion into political spaces must come from the parliament, not the judiciary.